Breaking. Bitcoin is preparing for its next large move. Do this right now. Plus, updates on Bitcoin's bull flag, update on when altcoin season is going to take full effect. All of that and more in today's video. If you're returning, welcome back. It's phenomenal to see you. If you're new, welcome in. Do you want to have less stress and more success? Hit that subscribe button right now, turn on the bell, and like this video. Less stress, more success. Hit that button. If you want to be entered into our drawing for the Bitcoin giveaway, you've got to like, subscribe, and bell right now. Let's jump straight into the video. There's some new developments that we want to talk about with the bull flag, new developments with altcoin season, when it's going to start, and new developments with this candle that we're highlighting right here. I want you to take a mental screenshot of this candle and identify what you believe it to be. That candle is similar to this candle. This candle is called a dragonfly doji. By definition, it's found at the bottom of downtrends, and it has the power to reverse the trend. This is the most significant dragonfly doji that we've ever showed you on this channel. We were covering this trend line for 900 days. And at the bottom of the downtrend, we had this dragonfly doji, which had the power to completely reverse that. So we were in a downtrend for 900 days from our 20K top. We had this dragonfly doji. It completely turned the trend, and you can see what the trend has done since then. Those of you that have been following our channel for a while, you probably remember this video vividly. Now I'll show you where we are presently. Okay, so presently, this, by the way, the previous chart was a 2-month chart, which nobody was watching at the time. This one is a weekly chart. A lot of people are watching this. So in the smaller time frames, it's less significant. Larger time frames, more significant. But this is very significant. Right now, we had been forming a downtrend for a few weeks. Since that new all-time high, almost at 62,000, this previous weekly candle and this candle here were in a clear downtrend. But we have the potential to form a gravestone doji at the bottom of this downtrend and reverse this trend to go back upwards. This would be a very significant candle if we were to print it. We are going to be printing this candle in 13 hours from now. If you want to follow at home, it is 12 a.m. UTC time. Where we want to see this candle is just about 57,000. Right at about 57,100, 57,200. Right around there, 57,000 to 57,002. That's where we want to close this weekly candle. Watch that like a hawk, because if we do, that is a trend reversal candle, and this could send prices moving very rapidly to the upside. Now, we want to get into some brand new updates with the bull flag, with the altcoin season, and we want to also talk about what's happening down here. Down here is the NVT. There was some confusion in the comments with an M. It's N, as in Nancy. Nancy, it's NVT. But you can't find this on TradingView. You can't find it anywhere. Only my students have this, my new students have this for free. This is custom coded. This is just not the NVT. It's the NVT with the HV and signals. You can see all the signals down here. So again, my students have this for free. You can't find it. But you can pull up the NVT, which you can look at the colors. But if we move to white, we're going to be in trouble. This is the longest time we've been in red. There was another confusion in yesterday's video as, hey, why in 2017 were we white? White is not really relevant. The move from red to white is relevant, and the move from white to red is relevant. But the solid line, not really relevant unless it's the red line. Okay, but the solid white is really not relevant. The move from red to white is significant. So I really want you to pay attention to that as we continue on. But pay close attention to this candle. Let's jump into more parts of the video that are really going to help you stay level-headed, because a lot of people may freak out when Bitcoin starts moving one way or another. But with this video, you're going to stay level-headed, cool, calm, collective, and have an absolute strategy of what to do. Speaking of strategy, go get your free course. If you haven't done so already, you need to jump on that right now. This will help you tremendously. It's free and it'll take you 3 seconds. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Click right here and you'll have significantly less stress and a lot more success. Crypto Crew University, the link is down below. I'll link it up here and click right here to get your free course. Now, Bitcoin bull flag. Look at where we're at now. Last time we were at covering the bull flag, we were down here at our support zone. Now we are entering our resistance zone. Fantastic to see. We want to see this break to the upside because there's a major move coming if we do. Now, when you're in a formation, when you're in head and shoulders, when you're in a bull flag, when you're in an ascending triangle, descending triangle, any formation, you never want to take a trade inside the formation. You want to take the trade with the breakout and confirmation, okay? Breakout and confirmation. What does that mean? Well, when we get a candle that closes above here with the body, that's called a breakout candle. When we close above with the following candle as support, what used to be our resistance, that's called a confirmation. That's when you take your trade. That's what I want you paying close attention to. Again, not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but I do want to help you make better decisions as a trader, more sound decisions as a trader. Now, on the flip side, if we were to turn to white on the NVT, and again, the color change is the key. When we change to white, it often spells at least a 40% correction. Meaning, if we were to break to the downside here, this would be null and void. However, if we even came down here as support, say for example down below 50,000, maybe to 48, 49,000 in a week or so from now, this would be null and void. We would have gone down more the length of the pull than would be applicable. So if you want to understand the length of the pull, you can measure the pull with the Fibonacci to understand where we're at. But this major development. Next is, this is the altcoin season chart, right? It's total market cap excluding Bitcoin, and look at what we're printing down here. We're trying to get that stochastic weekly cross. Look left. Look at the last time we had this weekly stochastic cross, October 2020. Look at where we were. We've gone up roughly almost 400% from that one cross. These crosses are phenomenally important. Not a lot of people talk about it, especially on the weekly. That's why you come to our channel, take a couple steps back. These big moves are where you're going to make all your money or lose all your money. And that's what our channel focuses on. That's why make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. But again, these weekly stochastic cross, we're trying to form it now to really throw altcoin season into an absolute pandemonium. Again, this can all change with the NVT turning white. We want to make sure we're paying close attention to that. We want to make sure the bull flag. And now I do want to mention, if you love altcoins, based on our previous chart, if you love altcoins, you need to watch this video. People have been loving this video that we've made. Thank you for the support. Top 5 altcoins, and I'll link it up right here. There'll be a little circle that comes up and you can go ahead and watch that. Next on our list is we're getting closer to an official cross on Bitcoin on the weekly. Again, the stochastic RSI cross, the past one went up almost 500%, the previous one 131. Enough said, they're major. When we have these weekly stochastic RSI crosses, it's essentially momentum. It's like if we had a little bit of a fire and we poured gasoline on the fire and that momentum pushes the fire up. That's what we're trying to do here with the markets, to give you a visual perspective. Now, if all of this starts to turn with the NVT and we break down with our Bitcoin bull flag and it becomes null and void, and we do not have a stochastic RSI cross, as we mentioned, we're going to be targeting this 21 EMA. But we can avoid it all by keeping red with the NVT, by breaking out of our bull flag with the confirmation. And again, that's where you'll take your position. If you wanted to add to your position, that would be a very wise move. We'll do further analysis on this bull flag, and more importantly, I want to have further analysis on the pi cycle top, because that we have brand new information that I want to share with you with an exact day that we're targeting for that to cross and how we feel about that target. Now, I want to get into one more thing, and then we're going to give our Bitcoin winner the $100. And if you want to enter, it's really simple. There's these 4 rules here. There's all the legal jargon down here. You know, YouTube is not involved in any way, shape, or form. But basically, you need to subscribe, bell, and like this video. So go ahead and do that right now. Subscribe, bell, and like. And then you got to get your free course, which you've already done, unless you're living under a rock. Go get your free course right now, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Follow on the Twitters, CryptoCrewU. Once you've done all that, the only thing you need to do is comment your favorite part about this channel with your Bitcoin address and put Steve. That's it. If you want to be entered into the drawing, we're going to go ahead and give the winner right now. But again, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell, make sure the notifications are all. The bell looks like this, or you will not be picked for the winner. Now let's get to our chart here. Whoops. Oh, oh no. Well, this is kind of funny. We just X'd out of it by accident. Just to give you some behind the scenes, this will be good for you guys. I have this sticky note that goes in the corner of my computer. That helps me never be covered when we're covering a chart, so my face never covers the chart. Otherwise, we're over here and I can't see it. The only way I can guarantee I'm not covering the chart is I have this little handy dandy notepad in the corner of my computer. As this note was in the corner of my computer, we went to go pick the winner, and I X'd out of the screen because I literally can't see the box. So I've made hundreds of videos. This has never happened, so it'll be a special treat for you. Now, in the next video, I'm going to give away guaranteed 2 winners, and we may do a third. If we can get 5,000 likes on this video, we will do 3 winners in the next video, but we will guarantee 2. My apologies for clicking on the corner. Last but not least, no, I'm not getting into the silver market. If you look at my shirt, I know it looks pretty fresh. We're still into Bitcoin, but I just wanted to wear. I'm not a normal person when it comes to my hair or shirts or my life or anything I do. I'm not in the herd, so my apologies if that's not your style. Yeah, always remember to look at the facts and the charts. Always remember to look left. Our words are not paid for. Stay calm, stay level-headed. I'll see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.